Hello, I'm Amber Irwin, co-founder of Social Speak Network. In today's blog, we're going to be talking about 6 ways healthcare providers can maximize their online presence through social media. Number 1, educate your audience. Studies suggest that nearly 66% of internet users get their news online and specifically through social media. So it's important to make sure that we are educating our audience of what's going on, whether that is things on COVID-19 or just on your practice in general, letting them know if your hours have changed or how they can reach you, but also making sure that the content you are putting out there is what they're wanting to hear and what they're looking for. Number 2, counteract misinformation. So make sure that if there are things that are going out there or you see your audience engaging on, make sure you kind of do a myth buster on that and let them know, especially around, as a healthcare practice, depending on what avenue your practice is in, it's important to make sure that your audience has the right information and that they hear it from you. So if there's articles that have been shared or that are within your industry that you can talk about and break down for them so they understand on a deeper level, I think that's a great idea. So just make sure that any misinformation out that you see your patients or your audience posting or engaging on, that you take it a point to counteract that and give your opinion on that as well. Number 3, encouraging social distancing. So this is a piece that a lot of people have been struggling with, and we're all hitting week 7, week 8, and it's a lot to handle. So in your practice, share with your audience how you are practicing social distancing. And because you can't see your patients in person, maybe you can, depending on your avenue of work, but looking at incorporating telemedicine into your practice. So you are still practicing that social distancing guidelines, but you're able to serve your patients, you're able to talk to them and help them through this time. Number 4 is take every opportunity to engage. So before, we've heard a lot of our clients say, I was too busy before, or I didn't take the time. And now that they may have a little of extra time, they see the importance how important it is to actually engage with your audience and ask questions and figure out, what resources do they need that you can provide them. So taking this time rather than looking at it as, uncertainty and scarcity, even though in a lot of situations it is, looking at this as an opportunity to really deepen those relationships you have with your patients and your audience. Number 5 is you still have to comply with HIPAA. So making sure that any protocol or any program that you want to put into place, that it is HIPAA compliant, because that's really important. So if you plan to do telemedicine, are you using the right software? If you want to create an online product for people to sign up with, what are those right tools and softwares to use that are still HIPAA compliant? Number 6 is telemedicine. So this is something that we have really been helping our clients with, is incorporating telemedicine, telehealth into that practice. So you can still talk to your patients, face-to-face via Zoom or another platform, and being able to provide them that service. Because I think right now, people need to know that whenever it goes back to normal, that you're going to be there for them and that you're there for them now. So incorporating telemedicine into your practice is something that will help, 1, keep your business afloat during these times, but 2, most importantly, still being able to provide that service to your patients. And again, just making sure that you are providing a service to them that they need right now. Even if it's, if you are a counseling center, you have a weekly check-in, they can still see you. It's, video chatting rather than them coming into your office, but getting creative with how to implement telemedicine into your practice. If you need help with creating a social media strategy and really implementing a telemedicine protocol, we're here to help you. This is something that we've been working with our clients on creating and making sure that everything is set up correctly and user-friendly, not only for yourself, but for your clients as well. We hope that that helped you with those 6 topics on being able to stay on top of your social media and maximizing your efforts. If you need help or you have questions, head on over to socialspeaknetwork.com and schedule a free 30-minute consultation. Thank you.